Good morning everybody, Belinda here, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm working on a plywood, a circle, which is 25 centimeters or 9.8 inches in diameter. What I'm going to do is a little bit of an experiment. So I'm going to be using my FLOETROL to swipe, just FLOETROL. I'm going to give that a good shake up, and I'll pour some onto this plate here, which is better for my spatula. This is what I'll be using to swipe with. So I'll just pour a bit on there. So this is a paper plate, great for recycling purposes, and you can just fold it and just pour whatever you haven't used, as long as it's not contaminated, back into the tub. Okay, so let's put down some white. The white bottle always seems to, the lid seems to get pretty stuck. Okay, so I'm just putting the white in the center. I don't know if I'm going to have enough. Try and spin it a bit. Or give it a tilt. So I have stuck this on with some tape, just so it doesn't move around too much. And I think I see some randoms in there, so I'll have to get those out. Okay, so that should be that looks okay. Let's see. Make sure it's stuck down properly. Okay, now I have some paint left over here from a previous pour, and I will just put some on there, maybe just like that. So I don't have any silicone in my paints, and this is Magenta. And you will always see, you'll find the mix that I use in the description, how the mix ratio. Right, so this is just gold, which I'm going to just put on there. I like those colours. Let's give that a torch. So either this is going to work or it's not going to work. It's as simple as that. Let's see. I have something there. Or is it just a bubble? Okay, I like those colors actually. So now I'm going to put my spatula in to the FLOETROL, and let's see. Oh wow, look at that. So let's just do some random swipes like this. That might have been a little bit too deep there. worked, guys. It's working. I'm so happy. Wow. I'll put some more on there. That is really nice. And I'll do this section here, which looks a little bit undone. Oh my word. I'm going to zoom you guys in a bit. Let's see. You see that looks really nice. Okay, I'm going to, oops, a little bit too far. So I'm going to give that a spin. See what happens. I have a very lazy Susan, as you can see. That is very pretty. So I'm just trying to get the edges off. Okay, so let's just take that off there. It doesn't look like it's going to spin too much more. Give it one more spin. That is so pretty, guys. I'm going to just torch that again. Okay, I like it a lot, but I do want to get rid of this. You see here, there's a little bit of pink. I'll put a teeny bit of white. Right. Okay guys, I think I'll call that a success. I will bring you in for a close-up. You can see how pretty that is. So this is it, guys. All those beautiful cells and lacing, all created from the FLOETROL. I really love these effects. Excuse the studio light, guys. If I don't have it on, unfortunately, you won't get to see much at all. That is really pretty. Yeah, let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think? And again, if you have any If you've got any paintings or artwork that you have done inspired by me and you'd like me to share it on my video, send me an email with a picture of your artwork, and you'll have to give me permission to actually upload it onto one of my videos, because that's how it works nowadays with the copyright stories. And thank you so much, guys, for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.